How to measure distance between two places with Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Google Maps application and just make sure you have logged into your account. Now let's search for any location over here where you want to search or measure the distance from. So I'm going to select on this particular account over here. So it shows this red mark over here. So just make a long press on that red mark. Now scroll down, and as you scroll down, you'll be able to see the option of measure distance over here. So here you can see the option of measure distance. So just tap on it. Now this black dot will appear, so you can just take it to the point where you'd want to measure the distance for. So I'm going to select on one of these options over here. And here at the bottom, it shows 14 meters. So it just shows the distance between these two places in Google Maps. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.